What's up, Birdhouse gang to the gang, the gang, the gang. This is your boy Araby coming to you from Birdhouse Mansion Studios. Go back here to the 600 square foot build. Little update. See what's happening. I left the lights on. Alrighty. Here we are. This will be the kitchen counter area where you're gonna have your plugs and switches over there. Kitchen counter. This is gonna be the window here. You have your can light there. And let's back up. We entered through that front door, which is in the kitchen. So now I'm gonna go back. Now we can see. Okay. Now I'm gonna walk through here, a little living room area. You see all the wiring. The yellow wiring is for the plugs, which is 12-2. Then you have wiring in the attic or in the rafters. Those are 14-2. Those are for lights. We're looking back towards the kitchen. Now we're in the living room. Yeah, gang, we brought this build all the way to this point, less than a year's time, working on it part-time here and there. So the main thing was to get it weatherproofed before the rainy season come here. And we accomplished our goal. So once it get real cold and it begin to rain, we could work on the inside. So please subscribe to our channel, Birdhouse Gang, Birdhouse Mansion, YouTube, Facebook, Birdhouse. $600 square foot build. We're in the 13 by 14 bedroom now. The one and only bedroom here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this light out on my way out. Gotta get some rest to get up and go to work in the morning. Okay, so now here's the hallway light. Take care of that. You have your bathroom lights here and your shower light. I'm gonna take that off there. Okay. And if you notice, I designed it where you could walk out and just hit the lights and you could never be in the dark. You'll never have to be in the dark. And likewise, when you're walking in, you hit the switch and you can continue throughout. This is your boy Araby. Until next time, may God bless you and yours. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Give us a cool comment at the bottom. And you have any projects, get to them. Give yourself a chance to give yourself a chance. Until you next time, this is your boy Araby. See you tomorrow. Coming to you every 24 hours, 24/7 with another video vlog here at Birdhouse Mansions.